This kindergarten goal setting and awards kit is just what you need to get your students excited to meet their academic goals this year. All standards outlined are aligned to the Common Core standards. Although state standards may vary slightly, you can still use this resource if you follow your state standards. Students are thrilled to fill up their charts and earn awards. You can display these charts in your classroom, and when students meet a goal, they get to color their star and earn an award with their very own name on it. Students feel proud to take ownership of their learning and watch their chart fill up with stars. Communicating with parents is essential for student success. I sent home a letter to parents along with a copy of the goals chart. When students bring their awards home, they can color a star and show their parents what they learned. This system keeps parents involved with their child's education. All printables in this kit come in both color and black and white for your convenience. Not sure if this kit covers the standards you need? Editable forms are included. Please read the description below for what parts of the document can be edited. Teachers love to use this kit to help students set goals, celebrate success, and to encourage parent involvement. Additional support is available directly on our website, keepingmykiddobusy.com. Simply click Kindergarten at the top and scroll down to Awards and Goals.